Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and quick process on how to delete an Excel file using the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're trying to free up space or just want to organize your files better, this guide will make deleting that Excel file a breeze. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the right account where your file is stored. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Files tab. This is where all your stored documents and folders live, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Next, scroll through your list or use the search bar to locate the Excel file you want to delete. Once you find that file, look to the right side of the file name. You'll see 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Tap on those 3 dots and a menu will pop up with several choices. Now from this menu, tap on the option that says Delete. Don't worry, Dropbox will ask you to confirm that you truly want to delete the file. This extra step helps prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to be sure. If you're ready, go ahead and confirm the deletion. That's it. Your Excel file is now removed from your Dropbox storage on your mobile device. Keep in mind, deleting a file from Dropbox will also remove it across all devices synced to your Dropbox account, so make sure that you won't need it later, or that you have a backup. Deleting files regularly helps keep your Dropbox organized and can improve the app's overall performance. It's always a good habit to manage your cloud storage and get rid of unnecessary files, especially if you're working with Excel spreadsheets that can quickly pile up. Thanks for sticking with me through this easy tutorial.